Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy Kirk. Today we are doing a Evaporator core replacement on this 2000 level Toyota Voxy. As you know, guys, it's the same thing as the Noah. It's just a model different. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe and hit that small bell so you will be notified every time we drop a new video. This is the second video that we did regards to the Toyota bus. The first one was a Noah. Now this is a Voxy. Guys, you can check out the video when you finish watch this one. I just think it's important to cover the two model vehicle. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and like us on Facebook. So guys, we have a lot more to pull down on this Toyota Voxy bus. The location for our garage is in the description, and feel free to call a number on the screen for more information. Comment below, let us know what you think about our videos that we upload, especially this one. No.
Yes, sir.
This dashboard removing two pieces, the upper piece and the lower piece. So we are going to remove the upper piece first. And as you can see, the upper piece removed. So we are preparing to remove the lower piece now.
All right.
Right now we are going to remove the lower piece. we remove the evaporator core. Guys, this is how the vehicle look when the evaporator core removed. Right now I'm going to show you the old core. This is the old core leaking all over. And guys, we have the new core in stock, so it's a one-stop shop. This is the brand new evaporator core, and the core is in the housing, tightening up the expansion valve. So it's time now to install the new core in the vehicle. Remember guys, if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also share and like the video. Just support the channel. It takes a lot of hard work to do these type of videos. Right now we are on our way to install back the lower dashboard. As you can see guys, we almost finished with about the dash. So right now we're just tightening up a few screws and bolts. We start the engine and turn on the AC. Right now we are recharging the system. We already pressurize and vacuum, and the pipe start to cool. Just going to check inside on the progress, and the AC is blowing nice. Another successful job from Kirk School Air Auto. Remember to like and share this video, and tell us in the comment section what you think about our work. Until next time guys, peace out.